Hello everyone, I'm Brittany. I'm one of the mental health therapists here at Renaissance Campus.
And I'm Erin. I'm a student intern at the face-to-face program.
And today we're going to talk about mindfulness practice. So, what is mindfulness? When people think of mindfulness, they typically think of the like meditation, those kind of vibes, but it's actually a skill that you can use on a day-to-day basis. So at times when we are super emotional, which it's totally okay, emotions are all allowed. But sometimes when we get to a super emotional state of mind, it's really tough to make decisions. Like for example, if you're stressed and you're trying to get work done, you may not be focused. So mindfulness is a great skill that we can use when we're feeling specific emotions to help us make better decisions in our day-to-day life.
All right, guys, let's get started in talking about mindfulness and meditation. What is mindfulness? As Marsha Linehan has stated, being in control of your mind rather than your mind being in control of you. We all have the capability of controlling our thoughts, our feelings, and our actions, and mindfulness helps integrate those things in day-to-day practice. It's a practice in which we're observing the current moment without judgment that everyone can do in everyday life. And how we do that is noticing our environment, our thoughts, our feelings, emotions, and experiences without reacting to them. We observe how we're feeling and just see what there is before you, neither adding to it nor trying to change it immediately. We're actively trying not to react to what is going on in or around you. You're trying to be alert to just existing, just being yourself, and then paying attention to all of the senses. Notice what you are experiencing. So as previously discussed, the senses, any thoughts or feelings. Allow the experience to be as is. So we don't label it as good or bad. It's just an experience. We avoid judgment and we make space for all moments. And then we focus. We let go of any distractions and we avoid multitasking. So doing two things at the same time, we're trying to avoid that. All right, so you may be wondering, why bother, Brittany? And the reason why we bother is in order to have a healthy mind, we will have a healthy life. It helps gain a sense of control and choice in your life because we have the opportunities when we are given those choices and we can allow us to have those choices. We slow down, we calm the body, and it actually grows your patience. You can reduce emotional suffering and increase mental well-being. And it can improve decision making, improve attention, gain compassion for your mind and body because you deserve the same kindness as you give on to others, and it also lessens stress.
So you may be wondering, how can I practice this in everyday life? If you are new to living in a mindful life, here is a simple practice that you can use to begin your day. After waking, take a few moments to close your eyes and notice how you are feeling. Lengthen the spine and then settle into a comfy breath. After, take 3 long, deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Ask yourself, what is my intention for the day? How can I take care of myself today? How can I show kindness to myself and others? What qualities can I strengthen in myself today? Then set your intention. And this can be simple as today I am going to have fun, or today I am going to show gratitude. Throughout the day, check in to see how you are fulfilling your intention. Meditation is an aspect of mindfulness that is the practice of taking time to make space in your day and to sit in stillness. Meditation may be as long or as short as you please, and it focuses on the breath, which is one of the most calming components of the body. One misconception is that meditation will empty or completely clear the mind of wandering thought. However, this is not the case. The mind will wander. It is inevitable. And when you notice this beginning to happen, treat yourself with compassion by understanding that it is okay for the mind to wander, and then bring your focus back to the breath. Some benefits of meditation, although similar to mindfulness, are to understand your pain, lower your stress, connect better, improve focus, and reduce brain chatter. Now, please join me in a simple guided meditation. Just 1 minute to pause and make space in your day. This is something that you can do at any part of your day. Begin by taking a seat, or if you must, by standing, and lengthen through your spine, but remain relaxed. Feel where your body connects to the earth. Feel your feet planted onto the ground. Notice if the air in the room is warm or cold. Is there a breeze? If your eyes are open, take a moment to observe your surroundings. Notice any movement that may be occurring in your environment. Soften your gaze and relax the eyelids. It is not necessary to close your eyes. Begin to deepen your breath slightly, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. With each exhale, notice it become longer and deeper, releasing more oxygen from your body. After a few breaths, when you feel ready, invite small movement into the body, recenter your gaze, and continue on with your day. Grounding is another aspect of mindfulness that happens when you do not feel that you are in the present moment. This may happen because you do not feel that you have control over your situation or your environment, or you may be feeling symptoms of a mental health disorder such as anxiety, or maybe you're feeling just blue. So in order to ground yourself, you need to engage in all of the 5 senses. So one simple example of how to ground yourself is to use the 5-4-3-2-1 method. So begin by observing 5 things in your surroundings that you can see. Next, notice 4 things in your environment that you can feel. 3, notice 3 things that you can hear. 2, notice 2 things that you can smell. And 1, notice 1 thing that you can taste. And this is only one example of grounding, and there are many other options if this option does not feel right for you. Some additional resources to learn more information about mindfulness, as well as learn some new techniques that may help you in your day-to-day, are starting at mindful.org. This is a website that also has an app as well as a magazine and offers you many resources for meditation, grounding, and mindfulness. Some other apps that you may use for both iOS and Android are the Stop, Breathe, and Think app, the Smiling Mind app, which also can be accessed online, and the Headspace app. Best said by the author Sharon Salzberg, mindfulness is not difficult. We just have to remember to do it.
We want to thank you guys so much for listening to our presentation on mindfulness, and we hope that you guys got something out of it as you go from your day-to-day life. If you guys have any questions or you want to pursue more about mindfulness, please don't hesitate to contact any professionals regarding that practice, or even simply Googling it, or even YouTubing. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and remember, practice, 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 and be mindful while doing it. Take care, bye!
As always, if you or someone you love is in need of help, do not hesitate to reach out to Kids Escaping Drugs at 716-827-9462 or visit our website at www.ked.org.